This one looks like a grade A.
Yes, the texture is perfect.
The scan confirms the tag is active.
All right, I am updating the health records now. This module highlights our revised safety and care protocols. Note the updates on emergency handling and cleaning, ensuring compliance across all shifts.
This state-of-the-art facility ensures every hide is meticulously salted and stored before the tanning process begins.
This one looks like a grade A.
Yes, the texture is perfect.
Stainless steel wash drum rotating tiger hides with plant-based cleaning agents. Transparent safety window, chemical-free look, educational style.
Precision shaving machine thinning tiger leather evenly. Close-up on smooth shaving action. Highly controlled, safe factory environment.